better be focused today or we fightin', or we fightin'. Oh, guess what? We're not focused. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is a naked face video right now. Today, if I'm focused, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me style video, another get ready with me style video, but it's going to be more so reviewing and trying out this L'Oreal Unbelievabrow product that Influenster sent me. I am part of Influenster. I will leave a link down below if you guys are even interested. This isn't sponsored by them, but they did send me this product months ago, and I just haven't gotten around to trying it because the bitch ain't got no time, okay? Let's just get started. Moisturize my skin first and foremost. I went to Goodwill a few weeks before Christmas. I found this huge wreath and it was 99 cents at the Goodwill store. I don't know if it was a different price. I don't know if it had another sticker on it, but the girl found the sticker that said 99 cents and I was not mad because that's why I snatched it up. It used to light up, but I think I broke it or it was already broken. I don't know, I can't tell. And I ended up finding this gorgeous brass holder. This right here, I found it for $1.99. It is a brass, I could probably get it cleaned. It's now a brass beauty blender holder, and I have all my beauty blender and sponge, beauty blender sponge-like products in here, and they're all fucking dirty. So I always think that going to Goodwill is, look, I ain't rich anyway, and even if I was, I probably still would go to Goodwill and try to find products that I can use. So I just thought that was a great find, and I was like, oh my god, what? I could use this for beauty blenders. Of course I'm thinking about myself and my beauty room, so I don't know what else I would put in there, maybe some candy or whatever, but I don't need that negativity in my life, so I'm going to use it for sponges. So yeah, okay, so now that I did that, I'm going to semi-prime my skin using my Charlotte Tilbury Insta Soft Focus Beauty Flash. What the fuck this is? It's the Wonder Glow from Charlotte Tilbury, and I've had this for a while and I just don't ever use that much of it, clearly, and I love it on my skin. It's great for dry skin. Anyway, I hope you guys had a Happy New Year. I'm gonna move on to foundation. I'll be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'm in 204 Natural Boof, and this is the last bits of remnants of it. Now it gets to go in my empties bin, which I don't know if you guys will be into it. I'm gonna do it anyway though. And I have a big, well, not a big bag, but I have a bag full of empties that I need to unload. I'm gonna spritz my face with Homemade MAC Fix Plus, which I also have to do an updated video on. I'm tired of looking at my face, my old face. And I love this foundation. Is still a favorite. So I'm one that likes to do their foundation before brows. If you guys know me, you guys would know that I like to put off my brows until I can't no more. My sponge is too wet. I can always tell by the way it feels when I slap it on my forehead. Bruh. I have a few wig reviews coming up. Janet Collections is sending me some more products to review, which I'm excited about, and I just purchased some. So you guys are gonna get quite a bit of, like, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of like reviews, and a little bit of wig reviews. So it's gonna be like kind of mixed up. I don't like to just post like wig review, wig review, wig review, and then like makeup, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see. I don't know, I just kind of wing it. I just post whatever I feel like posting at the time. I'm gonna be using whatever I have left of my Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay. Oh wow, which isn't much. Whatevs. Now I can go in the empties bin because I scraped out the last little bit that was on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. I scraped the shit out of that bottom. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Let's Focus Revolution concealer. Take a little bit of my Makeup Revolution concealer as well. My Love Hate concealer. And I'm just gonna press my center of my the center of my face again. And we're gonna go in. Got my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm starting to feel some type of way about this camera because I've noticed that when I'm not looking, one, I want to talk to you guys on the camera. See, when I look away, I notice that I'm very unfocused, and that's not my intention. And I don't know what's going on because I feel like I've had this issue more ongoing recently, which I don't know. Let me zoom in a little bit. Loser. Okay, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. Am I in the center now? Good grief. Loose finishing powder. I'm going to take what's on the lid. Take my big ol' ass Royal and Lancome 100 brush. I like 100 brushes, clearly. Whatever's a 100 brush. And just press that into the skin. The L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation and this Maybelline powder are like perfect for one another. Hopefully this year I can I'm not into New Year's resolutions. I've never set one, so maybe that's why I still suck. I've really been into that. I'm like, you know, things happen, things are gonna happen. If you have goals, set your goals and, you know, try your best to do good by them, period. So this year I'm hoping, I mean, we still have 12 months left, or 11 and a half and some change left, whatever months left, at least 11 months left in the year to get our shit together. Evie, talking to you, girl. I don't know, maybe I'll get my shit together enough that, you know, I'm hoping things start looking up this year, like even better, even better. We're gonna do more greatness. I have so many of you guys that are so supportive, and I am so grateful. Oh, I'm using my Kat Von D, the Shade and Light palette. I don't think I can quit this. And if I hit pan on one, then I'm screwed because then I have to buy another one because I love all three shades so much. I'm actually going to take this shade, the pinkier, peachier one, and pop it all over the lid because I don't think I set my lids. Nonetheless, I'm just taking a Sigma E35 brush. Just use my Mented Cosmetics Everyday Shadow Palette. I love this palette. It's so pigmented. It is Black Owned Beauty. Love, Love, Live. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's my favorite shade. Forever. Take the same brush. I'm just going to do a smoky brown eye. Still holding the palette, aren't I? Oh, so sorry. So sorry if I'm blocking your view. Take the same shade with my I'm going to take a little bit of this darker color, this darker red. Just pop that on the outer V, the lower lash line, just to add a little bit of depth. Then I'm going to take it and press it on my lash line here. This is a good brush to smoke that out. You see that? Look at that. I'm going to take my Wayne Goss brush. And I'm going to be using, you guessed it, I'm going to be using my Vive Cosmetics Loose and Glow highlighter. I'm going to use Reina, which is one of my favorites. I'm actually going to mix it with Diosa and just pop that in the inner corner. I'd put a lot more of Reina on the brush and then just tap on Diosa over top. And they look so good together. I'm going to line my waterline, just any old black liner. I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I'm going to go in with one of my MAC, that's upside down. I'm going to go in with one of my MAC blushes. I'm going to go in with Melba from MAC. This is like early Jaclyn Hill days. This is early Marlena from Makeup Geek days. Melba was that bitch. She still is that bitch. So we got Melba on the cheeks. Melba looks great on the crease. She looks great every day. Now for the brows. I'm going to go in and brush out my brows. Just going to use one of my spoolies. This is my ColourPop spoolie. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to test this bad boy out. We're going to go in with the L'Oreal Unbelievabrow. And they gave me the shade black because I think they asked me in the questionnaire what color I used for my brows, and I was like charcoal or black. And I think this is an option. Okay, so this is what the package looks like. Looks like a lipstick tube with a little spoolie and a brush. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use the products that they gave us. Oh, I forgot this had a spoolie because I could have just cleaned up my brows this way. I've swatched this product. I've tested it out as far as it goes. This is the color. It comes with pretty much a doe foot applicator. That's the color right there. No scent. I mean, it smells like a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna go in and actually use this brush. I personally prefer to use a smaller brush. This is the Smith 203 brush. I know Anastasia Beverly Hills has one. I mean, they're the queens of brows. But anyway, we're gonna go in with what's on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna start, in the middle. But let's zoom in. Ooh, okay. My brows ain't done, don't judge me. So apparently, let's read the shit that they say. It is 93% agreed it has good wear and 82% agreed resist workout in a consumer test. Whatever that is. So I'm very lightly tapping what's on the back of my hand because I know and I'm very experienced with pomades and how strong those products can be. This is very liquidy. This is very shiny and liquidy. So I actually think this color is pretty good. It's not blending much. So I'm just making my lines. As you see here. And then I'm just gonna fill this in. It's not really, I'm gonna brush this. Okay. I'm not sure how quickly this product, refocus, would dry. I like the whole dual spoolie brush thing idea. I like that the color's not so stark, especially when you're applying very lightly on the eyes. I think the black is actually a perfect match to what I like for my brows. Now, I find it that it's not... Oh, shit. Okay. Apparently, this is supposed to, like, set. So you be very gentle when you do your front brows because, you know, sometimes a girl like me gets a little too heavy-handed with it and has, like, a whole line in the front of her brows looking crazy all fucking day. I'm that girl. Hello. Welcome to my channel. I like it, actually. Nothing's coming out. Wow. Whoa, whoa. Okay. All right, let's do it with this side of my finger. Nothing. Oh, bitch. Brows are stark. Not too bad. I mean, you definitely can go back in with the spoolie. You can build up this product. But once it dries, you don't get anything out of it. Like, you don't get nothing. Oh, wait, what's that? Is this from earlier? No, let me do it with this finger. You don't get, wow, you don't get anything back. But my brows feel funny now. Like, it feels like they're getting stuck. So, I think, because I've done this before with liquid lipsticks, I think this is more like a liquid lipstick style product. I'm gonna go in with, I bought this recently. This is the Essence Lash Paradise. This is the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. I haven't tried this one. Usually I just use the green one. This is brand new. All right, now y'all know I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use Reina. I love Reina. And she's not even wet yet, girl. Wait till she gets wet. I'm gonna spritz my face real quick, and then we're gonna go on to lips. So for lips, I'm gonna be using my new Beauty Bakery Surreptitious Lip Whip. Did I say that right? Surreptitious. lip whip. And this reminds me of a dupe of a color that I loved so much from a brand I don't fuck with. And I love it. Okay, my love, so this is the completed look. I've actually been wearing this makeup for 7 hours right now. I started filming and I just kept filming, and then I ran some errands and nothing. Oh, I just wiped off my foundation though, I'll tell you that much. Nothing comes off. The L'Oreal Unbelievabrow is actually pretty waterproof. I just wiped off my foundation, which rude. Anyway, I actually like the formulation of this. I feel like the color that I have worked really, really well, and it worked great with the brush and the spoolie, but this is a product you have to work quick with, so this is not something that I would recommend for beginners right away, unless you feel comfortable with testing it out and trying it out. So overall, I really do like this. I do recommend it. I know that CVS has sales all the time, and you can find this at Walmart and Ulta, pretty much anywhere now, because this is part of their new lineup. I just had to zoom in a little bit because my camera's playing fucky right now, but overall, love it. I've had this makeup on for over, like I said, 7 hours right now, and I do believe that the L'Oreal Unbelievabrow is actually pretty waterproof, sweat resistant. I was running around and stuff like that doing errands. I did sweat a little bit, but not too much. Yeah, so it says it's waterproof, no smudge, no transfer, and sweat resistant, so I would have to agree, because by the end of the day, I could usually take off my peaks, my little brow peaks, with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, because that's not technically waterproof. Now I'm wondering if I can use a product like this, because it feels more like a liquid lipstick type consistency, and I'm wondering if I can use this as an eyeliner, because it is pretty pigmented and buildable. But overall, I do like it for my brows. I have extremely dark brows. It does not have that many shades. So if you're interested, I will leave a link down below where you can find this bad boy, or a few links down below where you can find this bad boy if you're interested. I do recommend it, especially when you're usually just working long shifts, or if even for like your makeup kit and stuff like that, definitely recommend something like that, because it's just staying, so you can wipe off your whole face minus the brows and then just reapply your makeup and just kind of keep going about your day, which I don't recommend you do anyway, because some people do get pimples around that area like I do and whatnot. So overall though, I do like the L'Oreal Unbelievabrow. I just want to say unbelievable, but anyway, the Unbelievabrow, and yeah, I like it so much. I just saw it in store for $10, so I'm assuming that that's around the price range of it. And you can pretty much find this anywhere, drugstores or whatever. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. You know, I would love you guys a lot more if you made sure you were subscribed, because I just found out that 68.5% of you guys that watch me are not subscribed, and that's kind of not nice. You guys should come back. You guys should see my post. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.